Automata toys we discussed involved simple actions. These actions were mostly related to life events around us. Let us explore how we can leverage the knowledge of automata to understand academic concepts as well. Abstract concepts are normally visualized with the help of models. Addition of motion makes the model more engaging with room for creativity. Let me walk you through the process I followed to bring the model of hurricanes to life. As a first step, I wrote one paragraph about hurricanes. Second step involved identifying sentences which have action verbs in them. I chose two to work with: hot air rising upwards and rotating thunderstorm. Third step involved drawing a schematic about the actions identified in the second step. Upper part represents visuals, while the lower part deals with mechanisms. Cams in our case. This part represents ocean waves, this one hot air rising, and circles on the top, thunderstorm. I plan to keep the ocean waves stationary. Thunderstorm will rotate while the hot air part will move up and down. Rotation will be taken care of by one normal cam, while up and down movement is taken care by an eccentric cam. Sketch gave enough idea about the interactions between various parts. Now it was time to create paper objects with the help of sketch pen, compass and scissors. Paper straws were used as a guide for two kebab sticks. Straws were fixed in place with the help of glue as well. With both wheels and followers in place, it was time to attach paper objects to the followers. It seemed the hot air part needed some adjustment. I had to cut straw as well as kebab stick for the same. These types of adjustments are very common in any automata building activity. Normally, a couple of iterations do happen. before you bring your automata to some basic form. This was my first version of Automata, which covered the concept of hurricanes partly. This model can be refined further in terms of creative look and feel as well. But for now, it's good for our purpose. Same process you can follow for any Automata project. It can be another academic concept, your favorite story, or an event happening around you. This process ensures that learning occurs in the context of a goal that is relevant, meaningful, and interesting to the student. Do give it a try. Thank you.